Many seniors across the United States struggle with weight gain after 60, especially around the belly area. Slower metabolism, less physical activity, and unhealthy eating habits can make it difficult to stay fit and energetic. But the good news is that healthy weight loss does not have to be complicated. In today's video, we are sharing simple and easy meal prep ideas for seniors that can help support healthy weight loss while saving time and money. These meals are easy to prepare, full of nutrients, and perfect for busy adults who want to stay healthy without spending hours in the kitchen. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is skipping meals or eating processed foods loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. Instead, focus on balanced meals with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and fresh vegetables. Meal prepping can make healthy eating much easier because you prepare meals ahead of time and avoid unhealthy last-minute food choices. Let's start with breakfast meal prep ideas. Breakfast is important because it gives your body energy for the day and helps control cravings later. A simple oatmeal bowl is one of the best choices for seniors. Just cook plain oats and add blueberries, banana slices, cinnamon, and chia seeds. Oats are rich in fiber, which helps keep you full longer and supports digestion. Blueberries contain antioxidants that may support brain health and healthy aging. Another easy breakfast idea is egg muffins. Crack eggs into a muffin tray and add spinach, tomatoes, onions, and a little cheese. Bake them for about 20 minutes and store them in the refrigerator. These egg muffins are high in protein and very convenient for busy mornings. Seniors need protein to maintain muscle strength and energy levels. Greek yogurt parfaits are also a great option. Use plain Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a small amount of granola or nuts. This meal is creamy, delicious, and packed with protein. Avoid flavored yogurts with too much added sugar because sugar can increase inflammation and lead to weight gain. Hydration is another important part of weight loss after 60. Many seniors do not drink enough water throughout the day. Sometimes the body confuses thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Try drinking a glass of water before meals to help control appetite naturally. Meal prep does not have to be difficult or expensive. Start small by preparing meals for just 2 or 3 days at a time. Use simple ingredients and focus on consistency instead of perfection. Healthy habits repeated daily can lead to amazing long-term results. If you are enjoying these easy senior meal prep ideas so far, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with friends or family members who want to lose weight and stay healthy after 60. Now, let's move on to simple lunch meal prep ideas that are perfect for healthy aging and fat loss. When it comes to lunch, many seniors choose fast food, frozen meals, or snacks because they are quick and convenient. Unfortunately, these foods are often high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. Preparing healthy lunches ahead of time can make a huge difference in weight loss and overall health. One of the easiest lunch meal prep ideas is grilled chicken with vegetables. Simply season chicken breast with garlic powder, black pepper, and olive oil, then bake or grill it. Pair it with steamed broccoli, carrots, green beans, or zucchini. Add a small serving of brown rice or quinoa for healthy fiber and long-lasting energy. This type of meal is filling without being heavy and supports healthy blood sugar levels. Another great option is turkey wraps. Use whole wheat tortillas and fill them with turkey slices, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado. These wraps are light, delicious, and easy to store in meal prep containers. Avocados provide healthy fats that may support heart health and help seniors stay full longer. Soup is another excellent meal prep idea for seniors. Homemade vegetable soup with chicken or beans can be prepared in a large pot and eaten throughout the week. Soup is comforting, easy to digest, and perfect for seniors who want lighter meals in the evening. Adding vegetables like spinach, celery, carrots, onions, and tomatoes increases fiber and nutrients without adding too many calories, which is great for seniors. Healthy snacks are just as important as meals. Many seniors gain weight because of unhealthy snacking between meals. Chips, cookies, candy, and sugary drinks can quickly increase calorie intake. Instead, prepare healthy snacks ahead of time. Good choices include boiled eggs, apple slices with peanut butter, mixed nuts, cottage cheese, carrots, cucumbers, and protein smoothies. Portion control is another important tip for weight loss after 60. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if portions are too large. Using small meal prep containers can help control portions naturally without feeling deprived. Eating slowly and chewing food properly may also improve digestion and help prevent overeating. Many seniors also struggle with emotional eating or late-night snacking. If you often feel hungry at night, try drinking herbal tea or eating a protein-rich snack like Greek yogurt. Protein helps reduce cravings and supports muscle health during aging. Many seniors also struggle with emotional eating or late-night snacking. If you often feel hungry at night, try drinking herbal tea or eating a protein-rich snack like Greek yogurt. Protein helps reduce cravings and supports muscle health during aging. Dinner is often the meal where many people overeat, especially after a long day. Heavy dinners filled with fried foods, white bread, or sugary desserts can slow down weight loss and make sleep uncomfortable. Seniors can benefit from lighter dinners that still provide enough nutrition and satisfaction. One excellent dinner idea is baked salmon with vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which may support heart health, brain function, and joint comfort. Simply season salmon with lemon, garlic, and black pepper, then bake it in the oven. Serve it with asparagus, green beans, or roasted vegetables. This meal is nutritious, satisfying, and easy to prepare. Another simple dinner option is cottage cheese with sliced cucumbers and tomatoes. It may sound basic, but it is high in protein and low in calories. Seniors who prefer lighter evening meals may find this option especially helpful for digestion and weight control. Slow cooker meals are also wonderful for seniors because they require very little effort. Add chicken, vegetables, beans, and seasonings into a slow cooker in the morning, and dinner will be ready by evening. Slow cooker soups and stews are warm, comforting, and perfect for meal prepping several portions at once. Healthy grocery shopping is the key to successful meal prep. Try to keep your kitchen stocked with simple, healthy foods like eggs, oatmeal, chicken breast, tuna, Greek yogurt, brown rice, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. When unhealthy snacks are not in the house, it becomes much easier to make better food choices. Meal prep can also save money for seniors living on a budget. Buying ingredients in bulk and cooking meals at home is often cheaper than eating fast food or ordering takeout. Plus, homemade meals usually contain less sodium, less sugar, and healthier ingredients. Exercise can also improve weight loss results. Seniors do not need intense workouts. Even light walking, chair exercises, stretching, or gentle strength training can support metabolism and improve mobility. Combining healthy meals with regular movement can lead to better long-term results. Getting enough sleep is another important factor. Poor sleep may increase cravings and make weight loss more difficult. Try to maintain a regular sleep schedule and avoid heavy meals late at night. Most importantly, remember that healthy aging is not about being perfect. Small daily improvements matter more than extreme diets or impossible routines. Preparing simple meals ahead of time can reduce stress, improve nutrition, and help seniors feel more confident and energized every day.
Thank you for watching today's video about simple and easy meal prep for seniors for weight loss. We hope these tips help you stay healthy, active, and strong after 60. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with friends and family members who may benefit from these easy meal prep ideas.